Executive Summary: Stryker Corporation has received FDA 510(k) clearance for its OptaBlate base vertebral nerve ablation BVN system. This is a significant breakthrough for Stryker, especially within the larger pain management space. And we believe it reinforces Stryker's commitment towards providing innovative solutions for complex clinical challenges. In this presentation, we will be discussing three key areas. Note 2. We will be looking at the value proposition that surrounds the OptaBlate BVN system. Note 3. We'll be evaluating the target market and its potential. And then lastly, we'll be outlining our recommended market access strategy for Stryker's newest addition to its portfolio. Value propositioned OptaBlate BVN system provides a minimally invasive, image-guided solution for the ablation of the base vertebral nerve, which is often targeted for treating chronic low back pain. We believe the system offers compelling clinical and commercial value given the procedure's outpatient setting, simplified workflow, and favorable safety and efficacy profile. Market overview: the OptaBlate BVN system targets chronic vertebrogenic low back pain, which affects over 5 million Americans. Current treatment options are either highly invasive, such as spinal fusion, or they provide only short-term relief or are palliative in nature. We view the target market as having significant unmet need and strong demand for effective, minimally invasive, image-guided solutions. In fact, the broader chronic low back pain treatment market is estimated to exceed $8 billion by 2025. Adoption within the target market is being driven by three key areas. First, there is increasing pressure from payers to reduce opioid prescriptions and move towards more effective therapies. Second, clinicians are seeking outpatient solutions that allow for same-day patient recovery. And third, patients are seeking options that offer low recovery and high effectiveness. Key competitors and differentiation: see three key competitors within the space. First, Relievant Med Systems and their Intracept procedure, which is a cross-sectional competitor that targets the same clinical condition. Then we have Medtronic with their spinal cord stimulation systems, as well as 𝗦𝗬𝗜𝗏, a Johnson & Johnson company, with their minimally invasive spine systems. Within each of these competitive landscapes, we see Stryker differentiating itself based on four key areas. No. 1. Workflow. The OptaBlate procedure is optimized for the outpatient setting and easily integrated into existing interventional pain workflows. Note 2. Physician training. There is a strong onboarding program that includes cadaver labs and digital simulations to train both the interventional radiologist and the surgeon. Note 3. Patient experience. As we mentioned earlier, the procedure is designed for same-day return to light activity, which is a significant differentiator versus other available options. And lastly, market access strategy. Stryker has a robust set of clinical validation data from large-scale studies that support the use of the OptaBlate system. They have established reimbursement codes and are working to expand them. And they have partnered with key orthopedic and pain societies to drive KOL traction. To gain further insight into the opportunity, we conducted an analysis of Stryker's stock price movement following the FDA clearance. Our findings suggest that the market is not pricing in immediate spikes from short-term events like regulatory approvals. Rather, institutional investors are focused on longer-term returns. Given the OptaBlate BVN system's strong product-market fit, we anticipate that it could deliver on its long-term projections and generate 8 to 10% upside within the next 12 months if adoption milestones are met. Based on our analysis, we project that OptaBlate will contribute between $75 and $120 million in revenue by year-end 2025. This projection is based on the assumption of strong uptake within the target customer segments, particularly within outpatient centers. Additionally, we forecast gross margins to remain above 60%, driven by the system as premium pricing and inherent procedural efficiencies. Lastly, we expect incremental EPS growth of 10 to 15 cents per share from this new portfolio addition. Our conclusion: the OptaBlate BVN system positions Stryker to lead within the emerging market for targeted vertebrogenic pain interventions. By leveraging strong UX design, compatibility with various clinician workflows, and a well-executed market access strategy, we believe Stryker is well-positioned to accelerate procedure adoption, capture market share, and realize meaningful financial returns in fiscal year 2025. Thank you for your support. And as always, please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.